Hey guys, in this video I'll be breaking down the 5 best Shark vacuum in 2023. I've made this list based on price, cleaning power, ease of use, build quality, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a basic vacuum that can handle smaller jobs or a high-end vacuum that's meant for heavy-duty messes, I'll have the perfect Shark vacuum for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Now let's get into the video. Starting off, some people might be looking for a cost-effective vacuum that can still deliver a quality clean on various household surfaces. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional checks these boxes and is my choice as the best Shark vacuum for the money in 2023. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is a more affordable alternative to some of Shark's premium options, and it offers a built-in HEPA filter, a high-capacity dustbin, and enough cleaning power for everyday cleaning requirements. It has an upright design that can be used as either a traditional vacuum or a handheld tool for hard-to-reach areas, though it's somewhat heavy at around 14 pounds. So anyone who wants a lighter option might prefer a stick model like the Shark IZ462H I'll mention later. It comes with a 30-foot power cord that allows for plenty of freedom when cleaning and an intuitive swivel steering mechanism to avoid obstacles or furniture in your space. Even more, it features a high-capacity 2.2 dry quart dust cup that can tackle larger messes, along with a built-in HEPA filter to trap allergens as you clean. Despite its affordable price, you get 1,200 watts of cleaning power to effectively eliminate dirt from common household surfaces, such as hardwood or carpeting. It has intuitive controls on the handle to toggle through the 2 cleaning modes, which includes a dedicated setting for cleaning bare floors and another mode that enables the motorized brush for more effective performance on carpet. It also comes with some useful accessories to provide additional versatility, such as a crevice tool to clean tighter areas like corners, a dusting brush for upholstery, and an extension wand to improve your reach. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is a solid upright vacuum that's designed to provide an efficient and effective way to keep the surfaces in your home clean, and it offers some useful accessories to tackle various jobs or tasks. If you don't want to spend too much and just want a basic vacuum that can reliably eliminate dirt or pet hair, this is an ideal option. Next up, I have a high-quality and lightweight vacuum that offers plenty of cleaning power and a specialized brush roll to eliminate stubborn pet dander or messes each time. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro is my choice as the best Shark vacuum for pet owners in 2023. Shark has a wide range of quality options to choose from, and their Shark Rocket Pet Pro vacuum is an ergonomic option that comes with an impressive battery life, multiple suction modes, and a high-quality brush roll that's built to last. It has a lightweight design that only weighs around 7 pounds, so you can easily carry or maneuver around your home. And it offers 2-in-1 functionality if you want to use it as a handheld vacuum to clean behind furniture. It has a cordless design with a removable battery that offers up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning time on a single charge to tackle most jobs. And it takes less than 3 hours to fully charge. Even more, it features anti-allergen complete seal technology and a built-in HEPA filter to capture and trap dust, allergens, and pet dander to keep your air irritant-free. The self-cleaning brush roll is a standout feature that's specifically designed to capture and eliminate pet hair, which makes it an ideal option for pet owners. And the brush roll substitutes traditional bristles with blades to prevent hair from tangling. It also offers plenty of suction power and can reliably clean bare or harder surfaces. And you get 3 different modes to optimize the cleaning power based on the task. In addition, the dustbin is easy to empty for hassle-free maintenance, though it's relatively small and might not be ideal for larger homes or jobs. The Shark Rocket Pet Pro is a lightweight and highly maneuverable vacuum cleaner that comes with a long-lasting battery to cover more ground, versatile 2-in-1 functionality, and plenty of cleaning power to reliably eliminate your pet's messes from various surfaces. This is a great choice if you have pets and want a vacuum that can effectively clean dander or other common dirt. Next up, some people might be looking for a vacuum cleaner that's lightweight enough to carry around and powerful enough to consistently remove dirt and grime. The Shark IZ462H Vertex is my choice as the best Shark stick vacuum in 2023. The Shark IZ462H Vertex is a lightweight and effective stick vacuum cleaner that offers versatile 2-in-1 functionality, multi-flex technology for improved maneuverability, and efficient duo clean technology to keep your space clean. The vacuum has a lightweight design that only weighs around 7 pounds and versatile 2-in-1 functionality for greater cleaning versatility. Though some users might find that it's somewhat heavy in the handheld mode, it has excellent battery life and can reliably give you up to 60 minutes of continuous cleaning time per charge, which is longer than some other quality cordless models such as the Shark Rocket Pet Pro that I mentioned earlier. It also offers some useful additional features, including a built-in LED light that illuminates hidden dirt or debris to clean more efficiently, and multi-flex technology to reach underneath low-profile furniture. It features unique duo-clean technology that uses 2 silicone brush rolls to ensure the vacuum has consistent contact with surfaces and more effective performance when removing dirt or grime across all floor types. You get a high-powered motor with hypervelocity accelerated suction technology to deliver a deep, efficient, and thorough clean each time, and a supercharged power boost trigger to eliminate particularly stubborn dirt or debris. In addition, it comes with a large and easy-to-empty 1.4-quart dustbin to tackle larger spaces or tasks, a built-in HEPA filtration system for airborne irritants, and several additional cleaning accessories. The Shark IZ462H Vertex is an effective and portable vacuum cleaner that comes with a high-powered motor to reliably suck up debris of all sizes, a large dustbin that's meant for bigger jobs, and 3 power modes to optimize the cleaning power for various tasks. If you want a light vacuum that can fit underneath most low-profile furniture and deliver good performance, this is a great choice. Next up, I have a convenient and effective robot vacuum that's easy to program and can deliver impressive cleaning performance on most floor types. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is my choice as the best Shark robot vacuum in 2023. With its advanced sensor that can accurately map your home, intuitive companion app to customize settings, and 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping functionality, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum can deliver an in-depth clean each time. It has a low-profile design that should be able to fit underneath most low-profile furniture, and you can get it in a few different colors to match your personal style. Despite its compact size, it offers excellent battery life and can reliably give you up to 120 minutes of continuous cleaning time per charge. So it's a good choice for larger houses or apartments. It also offers a range of useful built-in smart features, including integrated Google Assistant and Alexa support for hands-free control and a companion app that allows you to set a cleaning schedule or zones, though configuring the app can be somewhat complicated. In contrast to other quality vacuums such as the Shark AZ3002 Stratos that I'll mention, it comes with a unique 2-in-1 design that can function as both a vacuum and a mop to deliver an in-depth clean each time. On the inside, it features an advanced 360-degree LiDAR vision sensor that accurately maps your home to avoid obstacles or other objects as it cleans, along with Matrix Clean navigation technology to clean in a grid pattern and pass every spot multiple times for more effective performance. Overall, it delivers plenty of suction power to eliminate dirt and has a spot cleaning function for stubborn messes and caked-in grime. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers a convenient and effective way to keep your home clean, and it's designed to provide an in-depth clean and remove stubborn grime without needing you to move or carry it around. This is an excellent choice if you want a high-end robot vacuum that's easy to use and can remove stubborn dirt. If you're looking for the vacuum that offers the best combination of build quality, usability, and all-around cleaning performance, the Shark AZ3002 Stratos is my choice as the best overall Shark vacuum available in 2023. The Shark AZ3002 Stratos is a powerful option that comes with a built-in headlight to illuminate dirt particles, a dual roller design to improve its cleaning efficiency, and enough cleaning power for almost any household task. It has an upright design that comes with a swivel steering mechanism to improve its maneuverability in tight spaces, though it's relatively bulky and heavy for a vacuum at around 17 pounds. On the front, the vacuum comes with built-in LED lights that allow you to see darker areas and can illuminate hidden dirt or debris for more efficient cleaning performance. Even more, it comes with an anti-allergen complete sealed technology and a HEPA filter that can trap 99.9% of airborne dust, dander, or allergens, along with unique odor neutralizer technology to help remove unpleasant smells from your space. It's one of Shark's most powerful options and offers up to 1416 watts of cleaning power, which makes it a better choice for demanding or heavy-duty cleaning tasks than cheaper models such as the previously mentioned Shark IZ462H Vertex. It features their Duo Clean Power Fins Hair Pro system that utilizes a dual roller design to provide consistent contact and capture more dirt or debris from all floor types in each pass. And it has a self-cleaning brush roll to ensure intuitive long-term maintenance. The vacuum also comes with a large 1.5-quart capacity dustbin to tackle larger jobs and an anti-wrap dust cup for easy emptying when needed. The Shark AZ3002 Stratos is a powerful vacuum cleaner that comes with an advanced cleaning system to efficiently remove a range of particles from your floors, and a powerful motor that can reliably eliminate stubborn grime. If you have some extra money to spend and want a high-end Shark vacuum that delivers a thorough clean each time, this is your best bet. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video.